All right, Eric, whenever you are ready, you can go ahead with your presentation on a novel method for air quality control inside livestock buildings using engineered water nanostructures. Sounds very complex. So whenever you're ready, you can start, and I'll just start the timer at the same time. Go ahead.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. Air quality is really important for both humans and animals. Let's take a look at these images on the top left here. Those chickens from commercial barn are suffering the bad air qualities that's full of pathogens and dust particles. So we know that we can't force these sad chickens to wear the N95 mask 24/7 unless we don't feed them, and the chicken farmers won't be happy. So there are currently two major treatment options for air disinfection. The first one is using the UV light, but we know that this technology has some potential health risk problems for both barn workers and animals. And the second one is using the HEPA filter, but due to the high dust and pathogen concentration in the commercial barn, so a regular cleaning and replacement are needed. So that's gonna potentially increase the operating cost. There is the no air treatment option that is using nano-sized water droplets. And this technology only consumes a little amount of water and electricity. But unfortunately, that has been developed yet. So that's where I'm coming to play. To tell you a bit about how I've done this and about my project, let's take a look at how these nano-sized droplets be generated. So on the figure on the left is a basic setup of an electrode spray. We applied high voltage between the capillary and the counter-electrode plate. At the same time, we feed the water into the capillary because of the electrical potential. So the water gonna drive towards the counter-electrode plate and form the spray. And that's what you see from the image in the middle. And because these sprayed water droplets carry the same type of charge, so they hit each other and they're gonna split into the finer and finer droplets. And until we get the nano-sized water droplets, and that is what you see on the right-hand side there. And because these water droplets are nanoscale, so they have some unique physical and chemical properties, such as they can stay much longer time in the air with much smaller evaporation rate, and also they are highly charged. So that means they're pretty happy to move around to meet those enemies, such as dust particles and pathogens. No, when we treat the air with these nano-sized water droplets, the reactive oxygen species inside the water droplets will target the pathogen's membrane, RNA, and DNA components specifically, and the pathogens get killed without affecting humans and animals. As a result, the air quality inside the commercial barn gets improved by using these nano-sized water droplets, and now we make both chicken and farmers happy. Thank you very much for your time.
Wonderful. Thank you, Eric. Yeah, I thought the idea of putting N95 masks on chickens would be a little bit difficult. So good animation on the Photoshop there. That was really well done.
Okay, thank you.